Hey guys, it's Scarlett at Build Across, and today I want to show you how I paint this Paint by Line watermelon. I'm going to go in first and just add some pink color right next to my rind. This is the light pink, and then next I'll go in with the hot pink and just follow in the same step, and I'll kind of blend those two colors together. And then lastly, I'm going to use red for the center of the watermelon. And this is a paint kit, so all the paint you need, the brushes, everything is going to come in this kit for you. Next, I'm going to go in with this lime color, and I'm going to paint my watermelon rind. After this, you just want to allow everything to dry. I'm going to use my Tekpo heat gun in order to speed things up. But if you don't have that, you can just pause for a second and let it air dry. Now I'm going in with my Sharpie brush stroke marker, and I'm going to fill in the seeds on my watermelon. And I'm also going to use this Sharpie marker to outline everything. And this step just makes everything easier because it's pretty much like using a pen. You're able to have more control than over a brush. But you just want to make sure everything is dry before you do this step. You could also use this marker to go in and do some lettering in the center of the watermelon. There's plenty of room for that. And then I'm going to finish it off by going in with my smallest paintbrush in the pack and some white paint. And I'm just going to highlight everything. And I like to highlight the individual seeds, just kind of makes them pop. And then also the tops and sides of the watermelon. And that'll complete this video. I hope you guys enjoyed this project and have a great day.